Welcome to Tejas Motors, home of a totally different kind of car buying experience.
Check out this 2006 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Thanks for viewing our video. If you have any questions, look us up on our website at tejasmotors.com.